Education cannot be effective unless it helps a child open up himself to life, said by Maria Montessori. What Maria Montessori said in the early part of the last century is more relevant today in the 21st century. Because academic excellence alone can no longer assure success and happiness in life and career. Holistic development through education from the early stage of a child's life has become more important today than in the last century. Holistic development essentially means the development of intellectual, mental, physical, emotional, and social abilities in a child so that he or she is capable of facing the demands and challenges of everyday life. These abilities are vitally important for success in professional fields of work. Every child is unique. He or she has her unique personality traits, interests, preferences, values, attitudes, strengths, and weaknesses. The educational curriculum must be able to help every child find his or her unique place in the world in alignment with the uniqueness that he or she has. In order to achieve this, the holistic development of a child is of utmost importance. Here we are talking about the development of the abilities to learn from information and experience. This involves learning from data and information, learning from doing an activity, learning by doing himself or herself. The development of abstract thinking abilities, which means understanding and thinking about concepts, ideas, principles, and objects which are non-verbal or not physically present. And also the development of comprehension abilities, which means ability to understand and comprehend written and verbal information. The development of logical and analytical thinking abilities. It means analyzing reasons behind events and situations, understanding the causes behind an event or situation, and also the development of critical thinking abilities, which means examining concepts, ideas, problems, and issues. Also the development of creative thinking abilities, thinking of newer ways to solve the same problems, visualization, thinking of new ideas, etc. Emotional ability development includes development of intrapersonal abilities. This involves self-understanding, which is understanding of one's strengths and weaknesses, one's capabilities and self-belief. And also the development of interpersonal abilities, which means abilities to understand others, what others are communicating, and also building relationships. Social skill development includes development of social competencies. This involves abilities to interact and communicate with others, working in a team, coordination, and cooperation with others. Studies have shown that through playful learning experiences, students can acquire broad, dynamic, and interconnected skills rapidly and effectively. What children require today in schools is not just academic lessons. A schooling system that helps a child understand his or herself and also her emotions, while teaching them how to build up healthy and functional relationships as well as develop resilience and team spirit is the true form of education. Such a system boosts the morale of a student so that they can go on to achieve greater heights in their careers while becoming outstanding citizens of the society who contribute to the growth and development of the country. Hence, the holistic development of students is very important right from the beginning of school-going years. School leaders and teachers must ensure that the school curriculum is integrated with various co-curricular activities to ensure the holistic development of students. School leaders and teachers may take expert advice from career counselors as they understand the skills required for future success in work life.